Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Dikshit Vora, and welcome to my channel Dex Code. So I'm very much thrilled to invite you all guys into our channel, and here the main motto of our channel is to give knowledge, share the knowledge which we are possessing. So in terms of I'm a Mustang developer. I'm holding an experience of like 6 years, and I'm here to share my knowledge, as well as I would be doing I'm doing right now a series of problem solution where it would be lasting till a year, because I want to improvise into each and every aspect. So today's agenda is like a simple one. We would be solving a data structure algorithm problem from LeetCode, and that is how we would be moving ahead. And before that, I would be liking my viewers to give a comment out for me, so that it would be much more inspiring for me, and I can write few more content and few more things which I can provide to you as a viewer. And apart from that, let us start with our agenda. Our agenda is to create a simple to solve a simple problem which is from the LeetCode, and I'm sharing my screen so that you would be able to see the problem statement. So here is the problem statement. I already taken the problem statement into my local environment, saying like I reproduce the complete scenario which is from the LeetCode. I had taken that and written it onto my local environment so that I can go for a git push and it would be sufficiently available for anyone. So coming to the current scenario, what is the current problem? So the problem is like best time to buy and sell the stock. So that is the main problem which we would be solving. So we are having like we would be getting a list of array, and in that array we would be having like the price of a stock, like saying 7, 1, 5, 3, 6 and 4, and the price here the explanation is given like buy on the day 2 the price is equal to 1, and sell on the on day 5, so the price would be 6 and the profit would be like say 5. So that is the basic scenario, and that is how like we would be doing, because like say when we do it over here, we are having like a negative number. It is going on to a negative sign, so it's like a loss for us. So if we buy from a higher price and we sell it at a very lower price, then there is a negative difference. So we would be doing like a reverse thing, buying the stock at a lowest price, and then we would be selling that. So that is how the scenario is done, and I already written the test cases for the same according to the example explanation over here and the example. So let us go with the problem solutions. So I already solved the problem into my LeetCode, so I would be solving like this one. So const so I like to go with the const because it's very bad practice to give a definitive name with the variable var. So let us define the value of like what would be the maximum profit. So let max profit. So let us define like underscore. So it is also it's also a profit. Say it's also a practice in terms of like writing an underscore before the name of the variable. It's a practice. Why? It's much more convenient because you would be able to have an identifier. So return underscore profit. Sorry, not price. So we would be getting out the profit. So now let underscore stock is equal to underscore price of 0, because we would be starting at the initial level. So for that reason we would be giving like the price of 0, and the stock would be defined. So now coming to the other point, like for loop, we are creating a for loop which is with I, and have say underscore price underscore length, so it will be going for the whole length, and the say if condition, say underscore stock to buy. So I'm looking like stock to buy, stock to buy. So it's a understandable naming convention. Like if it is greater than underscore price of say I, so the first iteration, and if it's greater than greater than that, then underscore stock to buy is equal to say underscore price of I, because we would be redefining that wheel and we would be giving that value. So initially we would be having first one, then second, and the third. So that is how like our iteration would be going on. And saying like let us move outside of that if condition and say const of underscore current profit is equal to underscore price of I minus say underscore stock to buy of stock to buy. That's it. So what would be the current profit? Like we would be able to find the current profit if the current profit underscore current profit is greater than underscore profit. So we would be able to get the like say if there is a profit, then we would be moving ahead. So underscore profit is equal to underscore current profit. So that's it. Like we would be defining our wheels, and this is how like the profit would be going on, and this is how like the understanding goes. So according to this, like the iteration would be starting with the first point, and we would be having like 7, and we would be doing the conditional checking, and we would be giving like a difference, and we would be giving to the current profit, and it would be checking with the profit which we have defined already at the initial point. So that is how like this iteration would be working. And let us do the testing, like say this is the testing. Yep, and testing scenarios are working very much well, and we are able to pass all of the testing cases. So that's it, guys. I'm pretty much excited and very much willing to get a communication with you. So please give me a thumbs up, give me a comment, and like the videos. Thank you. Bye.